to be let down time after time. This one's for the torn down, the experts at the fall. Come on friends, get up now, you're not alone at all. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. This part is for her, and this part was for her. This part was for her. Does she remember?